Hello and welcome to this video about the Kremikovtsi Monastery. This is a historical site in Bulgaria with frescoes dating to the 15th century. So in this video we're going to explore the monastery and admire the frescoes that depict scenes from the Bible, the lives of saints, as well as portraits of the monastery founders and donors. The Kremikovtsi Monastery was built in 1493. It has survived wars, invasions, fires and earthquakes, and it remains as a testament of the faith and culture of the Bulgarian people. It's a place of peace, spirituality and art. The cloister is majestically standing on a hill near the former village of Kremikovtsi at the foot of the Balkan mountain. It's about 23 kilometers away from Sofia, and I finally got a lift to come and see it because the transportation is a bit difficult. The Kremikovtsi Monastery shares a similar history with many other monasteries near Sofia. It was established during the Second Bulgarian Empire, destroyed by the Ottomans and later rebuilt. The complex consists of two residential buildings, an old church and a new church. No doubt the older church is of the biggest interest in terms of its historical value. There is also a fountain and a garden with a beautiful landscape of trees and flowers. There are several legends about the monastery, and one of them is associated with Radivoj, a local noble bishop who had lost his two children in a plague that swept through the city. He was so heartbroken that he wanted to rebuild the monastery in honor to his children and hoping that this would ease the pain. Radivoj decided to rebuild the holy place, which was destroyed by the Ottomans. He hired the best craftsmen and artists because he wanted the church to be decorated with illustrations from the Bible, the lives of saints, as well as with portraits of him, his wife Desislava, and his two deceased children. This is a bell. It's written St. George, 14th century. This is St. George on the white horse. This is Archangel Michael. Saint Constantine and Saint Helena. That's what I could recognize. Near to the original church lies the building of the new church dedicated to the intercession of the Mother of God. Along with the other new facilities, it was built in 1902 to serve the monastery's new inhabitants, 20 nuns from Vardar, Macedonia, who had arrived in 1879. The new church is adorned with exquisite wood carvings, but unfortunately I couldn't take a closer look. There were several baptisms, one after another, and I couldn't go in. The complex is located on a rocky hill that reveals breathtaking views towards the Balkan mountain range and the Vitusha mountain. The monastery has something like a restaurant, a barbecue where you can have something to eat and something to drink. It also has a farm and it produces its own yogurt, honey and ice cream. There is also a small shop just when you enter the monastery. There is a small shop on the right side where you can buy some of these produce. In the garden near the restaurant, you can see peacocks, guinea fowl birds, lots of cats, and there was even a rabbit hopping around. If you ever visit Sofia, I recommend you to take a trip to the Kremikovtsi Monastery where you can feel a deep connection to the past. You can also enjoy the peaceful environment and the beautiful nature. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos about the Bulgarian heritage and culture. See you next time!